Over the last few years, buy now, pay later services have become increasingly popular in Australia. You might be curious about how they work and how they compare with credit cards. Well, we've worked out the pros and cons of each so you can decide which one's better for you. What is buy now, pay later? So you've probably heard of Afterpay and Zip Pay. These services let you buy an item, take it home, and pay it off later in smaller installments. So what's the catch? Unlike a credit card, you won't be charged interest, but you could be charged a late fee if you miss the payment date. Both buy now, pay later services and credit cards can help you manage your cash, but which one is better? For this comparison, we will look at the largest of these services. Afterpay. How much can I spend and where? Afterpay works best for smaller purchases. Think clothing, pet accessories and homewares. For ongoing costs of big ticket purchases like furniture or a holiday, credit cards could be a better option. The average credit card limit is around $10,000, but can be anywhere up to $100,000. When it comes to the sign-up process with Afterpay, it's much smoother. It's only a few simple questions and away you go. When it comes to a credit card, there is an application process, which involves a credit check and it may take a few days. You can use services like Afterpay at hundreds of your favourite stores like ASOS, Myer and David Jones. But a credit card can be used at millions of locations all around the world, including restaurants and hotels. What do I have to pay? Afterpay will give you nearly 2 months to pay your balance back, while a credit card could start charging you interest straight away. While Afterpay won't charge you interest, you will be stung with a late payment fee of $10 if you miss an instalment. Meanwhile, credit card holders who don't pay off their balance in full each month will be charged an average interest rate of 17%. Either way, it's just wise to keep on top of your repayments. You may also need to pay an annual fee with a credit card, but with Afterpay, it's retailers rather than customers who pay for the service. Are there any risks? Buy now, pay later services like Afterpay are less risky than credit cards. Late fees are capped, and if you don't make your repayments, you can kiss your credit goodbye. Credit cards, on the other hand, can cost you big time if you fall behind on your payments. Not only do they charge a late fee, they also continue to compound interest on top of it. Of course, you'll only fork out for these costs if you're not using your card properly, so make sure to pay it back on time. Will it impact my credit history? A credit card can help build your credit score. If you pay your bill off each month, it shows the bank that you're a responsible borrower. This can boost your chances of being approved for a loan in the future. Afterpay payments won't count towards your credit history, so keep this in mind if you plan to apply for a loan from the bank later down the track. What perks do I get? If you're after extra perks, a credit card could be the better option. Some credit cards earn frequent flyer points as you spend, and these can be cashed in for free flights and other rewards. Europe is sorted. You can often take advantage of other travel perks too, like airport lounge passes and complimentary travel insurance. When it comes to Afterpay, you can sometimes get discounts during sales periods like after payday. So with all that in mind, as long as you're making your payments on time, both credit cards and buy now, pay later services can help you free up your cash flow and manage your budget. While you can use credit cards for more and the perks can really sweeten the deal, the risks are higher if you let your debt get out of control. Whereas buy now, pay later services could be better if you want to make the most of a sale or have a small purchase to make but don't get paid till next week. If you've got any questions about either, feel free to ask away in the comments below. We have a full review of Afterpay and the list of retailers that accept the buy now, pay later service on Find It Now. And if you're in the market for a new credit card, we've also got some links below as well.